Every year, millions of people walk into court trusting that the person standing beside them, an attorney, will protect their rights, tell them the truth, and fight for their future. But what happens when that trust is misplaced? What happens when you don't know how to choose the right lawyer? When representing yourself might actually be the safer move? Or when the person sworn to uphold justice becomes part of the problem? Today's episode of Know Your Rights is about power, protection, and accountability in the legal system. Because your freedom, your family, and your future are too important to leave to blind trust. The Sixth Amendment guarantees the right to counsel in criminal cases. But that right also includes something just as powerful, the right to choose who represents you. Not every lawyer is the right lawyer for your case, your community, or your goals. What you should look for in an attorney: experience in your exact type of case, clear, honest communication, written fee agreements, a strategy, not just promises, willingness to explain your rights, not rush your signature. A good attorney doesn't just speak for you. They help you understand what's being said about you. Questions you should always ask before hiring.
How many cases like mine have you handled? What are the possible outcomes, good and bad? Who will actually work on my case? You or an assistant? How often will I receive updates? What happens if I'm unhappy with your representation?
If a lawyer can't answer these clearly, that's not legal strategy. That's a warning sign. Pro se means representing yourself. And while it's not easy, sometimes it's the right move. Situations where pro se may be appropriate. Small claims court, simple uncontested divorces, basic landlord-tenant disputes, traffic and minor municipal cases, filing motions, records requests, or court corrections. Courts often have self-help centers, legal aid clinics, and online form systems designed specifically for people who represent themselves. But here's the truth most people aren't told. Judges must follow the law, not give you legal advice. So when you go pro se, preparation becomes your shield. Pro se survival rules. Learn court procedures. File everything in writing. Keep copies of all documents. Never rely on verbal promises. Stay respectful, even under pressure. Representing yourself doesn't mean standing alone. It means standing informed. Attorneys are officers of the court. They are bound by ethical rules, professional codes, and the law. When they break those rules, it's not just unprofessional. It can be illegal. Common attorney violations: failing to communicate, missing court deadlines, conflicts of interest, taking money without performing work, pressuring you to accept deals without explanation, lying to you or the court, refusing to release your case file. Your lawyer works for you, not the court, not the prosecutor, not the system. If your attorney won't return your calls, won't explain your case, or treats your future like paperwork, that's a problem. Warning signs. Just trust me, without explanation. No written contract. Avoiding questions about strategy. Rushing you to sign documents. Disappearing before court dates. Silence is not a legal strategy. It's often a signal. The most powerful tool you have isn't a law degree. It's documentation. What you should always keep. Copies of contracts and fee agreements. Emails and text messages. Court filings. Receipts and payment records. A written log of conversations and missed calls. If something feels wrong, write it down. Dates, times, names, what was said. Paper trails protect people. Silence protects systems. Every attorney in the United States is licensed by a state bar or disciplinary authority. And every one of those agencies exists for one reason: public protection. Who you can report to: State Bar Association, Attorney Disciplinary Board, Office of Professional Responsibility, State Supreme Court. Your lawyer's full name and bar number. Copies of contracts, communication records, court documents, a clear written timeline of events. Reporting misconduct isn't revenge, it's accountability. And your complaint could protect the next person who doesn't know their rights yet. You can say, I am requesting a full copy of my case file and billing records. I am asking for a written explanation of all legal actions taken on my behalf. I do not consent to any agreements without full review. I am exercising my right to seek alternative counsel. These are not confrontations. They are protections. The justice system isn't just made of laws. It's made of people. And people, no matter their title, must be held accountable. Knowing your rights doesn't make you difficult. It makes you powerful. Knowing how to choose Challenge and report legal representation doesn't weaken justice. It strengthens it. Knowledge is protection. Documentation is power. Accountability is justice. This is Know Your Rights. And now you know.